Breathe in. Move. Listen. Invite Jesus to your space. Welcome to Yogalates Strong Part 2. Grab onto those dumbbells. We'll start to make our way towards the earth using the core. Pull the navel into the spine, pause and hold. Drop a few more inches, hold, breathe. A little bit lower, hold and breathe. And again, hold and breathe. Lower all the way towards the earth. Make sure you have lots of space. Pull the feet, knees closer to the body. And bring those feet all the way up towards the sky. We'll reach the arms all the way up over our head, keeping our back pressed into the earth. Lower your right leg as you reach forward, and then come all the way back. Lower the left leg, forward, and come back. Keep this pace going with your breath. Good. Left leg down, back to center. Reach, inhale, lower. Reach for that as the leg drops towards the earth and extend. Good. Focus on your form, your alignment. Reach, inhale, lower. Last one here. Extend and hold. Turn the palms of the hands up, bicep curl in and out. Exhale, inhale. That left leg can be hovered off the earth, or if you would like to rest it on the earth as well for support, work from here. Bring it in, press away. Good, last time, and then scissor your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to go. You're doing great. Stay with it. Breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful job. Now keep that left leg lifted. Drop the head down to release the neck, or reach up for shoulder press and down. Bend those elbows, press up. Bend and extend. Reach towards your toes. Good. Steady with your breath. Last one. Hold at the top, straight single leg switches. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to go. Nice and strong. Power it up. You're doing great. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful job. Release down towards the earth. Bring the knees to the belly and set the dumbbells or weights to the side of your body. We'll start by rolling like a ball, grabbing underneath our legs or top on the knees, whatever feels good. Inhale, lift up, roll yourself up, and roll back. Good. Use the momentum of the core. Keep the feet away from the ground so we hold up tall. All about control. That spine is rounding, giving lots of nutrition to the brain. Good. And up. Last time, we'll hold the boat, Navasana pose. Drop those shoulders away from the ears. All the way down into our bicycle crunch. So let's start by lowering the right leg, right elbow to left knee, and center. Cross and center. Cross, both feet to the sky. Left elbow, good. Right elbow, left knee, back to center. Working on the oblique muscles. You're doing a great job. Keep breathing. Twisting out. Good. Reach. Good. Hold it here. Hover it if you'd like, or raise it up a little bit more. Elbow to knee and close. Trying to work on the obliques, one side, going really deep into the right side of your oblique. Twist, open, twist, open, breathe. Good. We'll drop it down, swap sides. If you need a little bit more difficulty, hover it or come back up high. Twist and open. Left elbow, right knee. Squeeze. Good. Now going really deep into that left oblique. Core strengthening, toning exercise. Good. Take a deep breath in, drop it down. We'll go into a double leg stretch. Make a ball with your body here. And on that inhale, we'll extend our arms and legs away, then circle back to center. So open and circle. Good. That's 3. Really work your core. Breathe. Stay with it. If that back starts to peel up off the mat, don't go so low with the legs. Find your alignment. Find your control. You're doing great. Extend and in. Open and in. Breathe. Good. Last one and release. Let's move into Eagle Crunch. Right leg goes over top left and then cross the knees. Take the right arm on top, left arm on bottom. Crunch in and back. In and back. A simple crunch in and down, elbow to knee and back. Good. Start to work the upper abdominal area. You're doing a great job. Make contact with knee and elbow. Keep lifting. Hold. Extend. Let's go to the other side. Eagle arms. Here we go. Touch the elbow to knee and down. Lift and open. So the fingers and toes start to touch the floor as they release. Good. Touch and open. Keep going. You're doing a great job. We're almost there. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Beautiful job. Extend out into a pencil stretch. Great job. If you were doing part 2, quick and effective abdominal work. If you were continuing off of part 1, it was your strong abdominal blast at the end. Way to go. Let's finish off with some great stretching. Take the right knee into the chest. Send it across to the left side of the body. Look over the right side. Anchor both shoulders towards the earth and breathe. Check in. Let the heart rate start to settle with every breath you take. Swap sides when you're ready. Left knee comes in. Exhale, extend it over to the right side of the body and look over that left shoulder. Deep belly breath in and a long exhale out. Great job. Let's continue to flow as we move into cradle the baby. Bring the right foot into the heart. Grab on with the left hand, right hand on the knee. Rock side to side. If you need a little more sensation, you could place it in the crevice of the elbow and make the bind. Feel what feels good here in your body. Maybe you start to extend the leg now and rock yourself up to a seated pigeon pose. Place that right foot on top of the knee. Make adjustments where it feels good. Open your heart and breathe. Find stillness or movement here. And then we'll shift into double log stack pose. Lift up tall through the crown, open the heart, breathe. Let that knee fall out. And then bring that knee right back into the chest, swapping sides. Left knee goes in, cradle the baby on the second side. Grab onto that foot. If you need a little bit more sensation, foot goes in the crevice of the elbow, make the bind. Show up for your body and what it needs in this present moment. Start to rock up when you're ready. Take a pigeon pose here. Make the adjustments. Open the heart. Let the knee fall away and breathe. When you're ready, we'll fold down right into double log stack pose. Open the heart, lift the crown, and let the knee fall away from the body. Breathe into the tension of the hips and the glutes. If it's time for you to close off your practice, come to the center of your mat, move out anything tense or tight still in the body. Give yourself this time to check in with breath, alignment, where you hear, and what truth you seek for. Invite Christ to your space. Allow your body to fully rest. Let your breath soften, slow, and deepen. Notice how far you've come, even in this moment. With each breath, release effort. With each exhale, let go. Take one more deep breath in. You are farther than where you began, and you are being guided every step of the way. Namaste. If you enjoyed this practice, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe below for more Christ-centered yoga videos your way. Have a beautiful day. We'll see you soon.